In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact customer support in Fiverr. Head to your account on the top right corner and you're gonna find a settings or basically profile. Search for this button, either help or resources. Gonna click on it and I'm gonna find contact support at the bottom. I'm gonna click at the contact support right here. I can even open the help center, which basically where I can find more help about it if I don't want to contact support. After heading to help and support, I'm going to actually be specifying. Account insecurity is any problem you have with your password, email, stuff like that. Buying on Fiverr is pretty obvious. If you have any problem buying on Fiverr, you're gonna choose this option. Selling on Fiverr is probably what you'll be looking for if you are a seller. Community standards and our terms services is pretty obvious as well. And as I said, account insecurity is anything also related to payments and stuff like that. Let's say I have a problem with selling on Fiverr basically. I'm gonna click on selling on Fiverr, and here you can see that there's payments and withdrawals, pretty obvious. Orders, if you have problem with a specific order. Gigs, if you have a problem publishing a gig. Becoming a seller, if you have an order being accepted as a seller. Seller dashboard and statistics, pro on how it works. More features for sellers, as you can see right here. Prompted gigs, Fiverr Pro, Seller Plus, you get the idea. When it comes to account security, you can find updates my account, updating your account issues, account verification and security, Fiverr business, data and privacy, general information, and report a bug if there is a bug. Selling, as I said, we went through this. Buying, payments, orders, find the right seller, Fiverr business collaboration, and Fiverr business projects. Community standards, account warnings, account disables, report violation, and the following. You must choose your category very well. I'm just gonna change, for example, do something random. Because as you can see, for example, I was like, it's not possible to change your username. However, you can deactivate your current account, then open a new account with a new username. Note, once an account is deactivated, it can only be reactivated by customer support, and you can read more about it. In case you still need help, you click I still need help. Right now, you will be able to prompt a subject. I would like to update my username as example, and then in description, I'm looking if it's able to update my username. And then I'm gonna click on send request. As you can see, my request sent successfully, and I can see my requests right here. To head to my requests, all I have to do is go ahead, as I said, your account, help and resources, help center, and then see my support requests. I'm gonna find my requests right here, and if I refresh, maybe it will pop, maybe it will not. If I go back here, I can even go back to Fiverr, and I can even open the request very easily from the help center. My support request, as I said again, and then open a new ticket by going to an old ticket and clicking open it. That's basically it, and goodbye.